In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own landing page on Kit. We'll walk through the entire process together, from picking a starting layout all the way to publishing your page so it's ready for visitors. Even if this is your first time using Kit, by the end you'll have a clean, professional landing page that you can customize for your offer, newsletter, or product. First, let's choose a base template. In your Kit dashboard, head over to the Grow section, then click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all your pages live. In the top area, look for the option to create something new, then choose Create New and select Landing Page. Kit will show you a variety of templates. For the most flexibility, choose a blank style template such as Abby or Siesta. These give you a simple, uncluttered layout that's easier to reshape into exactly what you want, instead of fighting against a very specific design. Once your template opens, it's time to customize the design so it matches your brand and your message. Start by replacing any placeholder images. Click on an existing image on the page, and in the right-hand sidebar, you'll see an option to replace. Click that, upload your own image, or choose one from your library, and it will automatically update on the page. Use images that clearly support what you're offering, like a product shot, a mock-up, or a friendly photo of yourself. Next, edit the text. Click directly on any headline or paragraph and start typing. Use the main headline to clearly explain what people get by signing up, and keep the body copy focused, simple, and benefit-driven. You can adjust font size, alignment, and other settings from the sidebar so everything feels consistent. You're not limited to what's already on the page. Hover over different areas and look for the plus icons. Clicking one of these lets you add new blocks, such as videos, image galleries, or even countdown timers if you're running a time-sensitive promotion. You can also remove blocks you don't need to keep the page clean and focused. Now let's configure what happens after someone signs up. At the top, click on Settings. Under the General section, choose how you want to handle successful signups. You can display a simple success message directly on the page, or you can redirect people to an external page, like a dedicated thank you or confirmation page you've already set up. Choose the option that best fits your funnel, then switch to the Incentive tab. This is where you can upload a lead magnet, such as a PDF or another file. Once you upload it and save, Kit will automatically deliver that file to new subscribers when they join, which is perfect if you're offering a free guide or resource as an incentive. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, it's time to go live. Click Save to lock in your changes, then click Publish in the top right corner. Your landing page is now live and ready to share with your audience.